हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम आपके लिए बीएड सेकेंड सेमेस्टर के फोर्थ पेपर जिसका टाइटल है क्रिटिकल अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ आईसीटी, इस पेपर के आंसर की लेकर आए हैं। आप हमारे साथ आखिर तक जुड़े रहिए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज एन आउटपुट डिवाइस? आंसर डी, ऑल ऑफ द अबव। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, टाइप ऑफ CAIR? Answer D, all of the above. Question number 3. This software is a plagiarism checker. Answer C, Tuftenin. Question number 4. The main term of educational technology is not. Answer C, approach. Question number 5. Who called Web 2.0 as web participation? Answer B, Bert Demos. Question number 6. Technology is related with? Answer B, Taxer. Question number 7. The process of application of behavior of knowledge is educational technology. Who said? Answer A, E.M. Booter. 8. When did Sidney Pressley first use educational technology? Answer B, 1926. Question number 9. Educational technology is not characterized by? Answer B, beyond scientific theories. Question number 10. The aspect of human knowledge are? Answer C, both of the above. Question number 11. Hardware approach is relevant technology. Who said? Answer A, Silverman. Question number 12. Instructional technology is called the subordinate term of education technology. Who said? Answer C, Robert A. Cox. Question number 13. The full form of CPI is? Answer C, Central Pedagogical Institute. Question number 14. When was the first generation computer invented? Answer D, none of the above. Question number 15. Where was computer co-instruction first started in 1961? Answer A, Illinois University, America. Question number 16. When did fiber network become prevalent? Answer B, 2014. Question number 17. Plagiarism is not related with? Answer D, scan. Question number 18. The type of computer based on? Answer C, personal computer. Question number 19. Slates is named to introduce the features as technique of Web 2.0. क्वेश्चन का आंसर है एंड्रयू मैकफी। जो ये ऑप्शन गिवन है इसमें स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक है, तो इसका जो आंसर है वो एंड्रयू मैकफी है। 20. मैन मेमोरी इज नॉट? आंसर डी, ALU. क्वेश्चन नंबर 21. इंटरनेट सर्विस इज? आंसर डी, ऑल ऑफ द अबव. Question number 22. Full form of FTP is? Answer C, File Transfer Protocol. Question number 23. The essential tools of CD-ROM are? Answer D, all of the above. Number 24. Who used the word MOOC for the first time? Answer B, Dave Cormier. Question number 25. Who named WhatsApp? इसमें भी जो आंसर गिवन है उसमें स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक है और सही स्पेलिंग है जैन, KOUM, कॉम. क्वेश्चन नंबर 26. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ सर्च इंजन? आंसर डी, MS Excel. क्वेश्चन नंबर 27. व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ WAN? आंसर सी, वाइड एरिया नेटवर्क. क्वेश्चन नंबर 28. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ सोशल नेटवर्किंग सर्विस? आंसर डी, ब्लॉक. Question number 29. The full form of MOOC is? Answer D, Massive Open Online Course. Question number 30. Web 2.0 does not have a feature according to BEST. Answer D, lack of user experience. Question number 31. The Moodle does not have the following feature. Answer A, work as an open source. Number 32. Webinar is called in technical language. Answer A, umbrella term. Question number 33. Involved in virtual learning environment. Answer C, both of the above. Question number 34. When did MOOC come in vogue? Answer A, 2008. Question number 35. The benefits of webinars are: answer D, all of the above. 6. Not used in online discussion forum. Answer C, book. Question number 37. The compilation of file is: answer A, website. Question number 38. Which is a popular and informative website? Answer B, Wikipedia. Question number 39. What is the prescribed domain name for military organization? Answer A, .mil. Number 40. Which is the website related to employment information portal? Answer D, all of the above. Question number 41. What is the XMPP type? Answer D, all of the above. Question number 42. Which of the following is a social network? Answer D, Twitter. Question number 43. Which among of the following is a MOOC platform? Answer D, all of the above. 44. In Moodle, D stands for: answer C, dynamic. Question number 45. Social networking is: answer C, both of the above. Question number 46. Moving from one website to another. Answer C, browsing. Question number 47. Who is known as father of World Wide Web? Answer B, Tim Berners-Lee. Number 48. IP stand for: answer C, Internet Protocol. Question number 49. Computer assisted instruction is based on this principle. Answer A, operant conditioning. Question number 50. In CAI, C is used for: answer B, computer. Question number 51. Which operating system is used by the Apple computer system? Answer C, Mac. 2. Deleted emails are stored in: answer B, trash. Question number 53. Dash allows user to send a file with email. Answer D, attachment. Question number 54. Skype is usually used for: answer B, interpersonal communication. Question number 55. A text from a source is placed in a research report without providing reference is called: answer A, plagiarism. Question number 56. Which one of the following is not used for checking plagiarism? Answer B, latex. Question number 57. Within the internet, each separate computer is called a dash. Answer B, system. Question number 58. Dash is a collection of web pages. Answer D, website. Question number 59. Dash are set of rules and producers for communicating. Answer B, protocols. Number 60. MOOC is built on the idea of: answer B, web-based learning. Question number 61. A blog can be used to: answer A, answer D, none of the above. Question number 62. MOOC is a model for: answer B, developing course curriculum. Question number 63. An email address is composed of: answer A, 2 parts. 64. The first web browser is: answer C, World Wide Web. Question number 65. Which one of the following is not a search engine? Answer B, Chrome. Question number 66. What is the name of a web page address? Answer C, URL. क्वेश्चन नंबर 67, जो ये रिपीटेड क्वेश्चन है, एक ही तरह के 2 सवाल दे दिए पेपर में. द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ वैन. आंसर ए, वाइड एरिया नेटवर्क. क्वेश्चन नंबर 68, व्हाट इज द इंटरनेट सिस्टम? आंसर ए, नेटवर्क बिलोंगिंग टू अ प्राइवेट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 69, इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर इज एन Answer C, search engine. 20. Educational TV was first introduced in India in year. Answer B, 1959. Question number 71. One of the most important contribution of ICT in the field of education in. Answer D, easy access to learning. Question number 72. The speed of processor of a computer is measured in. Answer D, gigahertz. 3. Which of the following best describes the Web 2.0? Answer C, social media and user-generated web content. Question number 74. Physical parts of a computer is called. Answer A, hardware. Question number 75. Which act as an interface between the user and the computer? Answer B. Operating system. आंसर की अच्छी लगती है तो आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, शेयर करें और लाइक करें, और आप हमारे चैनल के साथ जुड़े रहिए, और आगे भी हम आपको नई नई इन्फॉर्मेशन अपने चैनल के माध्यम से देते रहेंगे। थैंक यू।